Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage reduce water drop pattern on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, go to Adjustment and Maintenance and go to Adjust Image Quality. Select Special Processing. And here we need to scroll a bit down until we see reduce water drop pattern. Now here if we click on, we will see that image quality may be affected. And I've tested it once, it was pretty okay. It wasn't that much affected. It was okay and it was great. So you guys can just click yes. And now those settings are configured. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.